think that's a country song.
9-1 dispatch, you'll be out the vehicle. Boy John George 0149. Hello, Officer Andrews, Pasco Police. Can you roll your window down for me?
For what, sir?
Well, right now you're illegally parked on the wrong side of the road.
I'm not parked. I'm waiting for...
Okay, you're still on the wrong side of the road, blocking traffic. Okay, can you roll your window down for me, please?
There's no traffic, sir.
Okay, dude, this is real simple. I got a call for a service out here, so I'm here.
Yeah,
Can you please roll down your window?
Going on here?
Can I see your driver's license?
Sir, I'm not even driving the vehicle. I'm literally just sitting here.
9-1 dispatch, will take the cover. It's real simple, man. This could be real quick conversation and I leave, or you can make it difficult.
Bro, I'm saying I haven't been driving the car. I'm literally just
You were sitting in the driver's seat with the vehicle on the wrong side of the road blocking traffic.
But what I'm telling you is, one, I'm not blocking.
Good, how are you doing?
Two, neither am I blocking traffic.
Okay, can you please roll down your window and talk to me?
We were just packing up to leave.
I know, that's why I'm here. Because we got a call. Huh?
What's that?
We got a call about somebody hitting the dog, trying to get it in the car, yelping and stuff. That's why we're here. Okay? On top of you being illegally parked on the wrong side of the road, blocking traffic.
I'm literally picking up with music equipment.
Okay.
And I'm not even driving.
You need to roll down the window and talk to me. Okay? I'm not going to talk to you through the crack.
I can't roll down the window.
Why can't you roll down the window?
The car's not on.
Okay. You can turn the car on, man.
What? No, Luna.
Who, you guys live here? You, okay.
Yeah, I do.
Go ahead, turn the car on. Roll down the window, man. It's not a trick, man.
I'm not saying it's a trick, but I'm asking you.
I
There's
have
no
no
need for
idea.
you to be right
Do you guys know him?
That's my cousin.
now.
Tell him to roll down the window and talk to me.
But can you hear him through the
Yeah, but our window's right
Okay,
there.
right now I'm in a legal investigation. I need to talk to him. I need to get...
There's nothing illegal.
What happened?
17, you might want to start this way, too.
Sorry, hey, quick question. What happened?
Okay, I've already explained it to him.
I don't know that. I'm on my property.
Apparently,
You're fine.
You're illegally parked.
Yeah. What happened?
And I'm not even driving the car.
9117, you might want to head up there.
Can you explain that, please? No? Alright. I want him to, but he can't this way. I'm sorry, but yeah, I'm curious because this is my property. Yeah, this is my property, so I want to know what the hell's going on.
They're just being uncooperative, refusing to roll down the windows and talk to me.
Officer, can you be cooperate with me? I'm curious.
I'm not worried about you guys.
I know,
need
but I'm
trucking.
curious. I'm sorry. I know. I'm curious.
Okay, well,
Yeah, 'cause
your
this-
curiosity can wait.
Well, this is my property, so
Yeah,
I
that's
need
fine.
to know what's
No,
going on.
you don't. I'm not on your property.
You might as well be.
This is city property right here.
Well, yeah, but
So is this. Right
But
here.
I want to know. I'm curious.
I've explained it, okay?
Sir,
I can't
yeah.
talk to you and them at the same time,
Okay,
so
okay,
you can
okay,
wait.
Okay, not me. I don't know that part, but I'm just curious what happened. Like, you're in front of my
This is
yard.
what he's saying, bro. He's saying that I'm parked illegally on the side of the road.
And like I explained to you,
And I'm
I got a
telling you,
call
I'm doing
about
this.
somebody hitting the dog, which I'm guessing is you.
What?
What are
Dog?
you talking about?
Okay.
You just got a call for that. They've been here parked for what? Maybe 20 minutes while we packed up?
Dude, I don't make these calls up.
So I'm
We're not
curious.
saying you
I
make the
never
call up.
said you did, but what I'm saying is there's nothing
Officer,
happening.
we're not trying to make things difficult.
Obviously we are, because we're not
Well,
rolling windows
you're doing
down, we're not talking, we're refusing to give me ID, all that good stuff.
Well, let him do that, but I'm curious because you're in front of my house.
It doesn't matter where I'm
Yeah,
in
it
front
does
of.
because you're in front of my house.
You need to back up.
Yeah, I'm in my property.
Okay, that's
Can't
fine.
do nothing.
I'm not
in
trying
my
to do
property, I'm
anything.
just
I'm trying to
curious.
have a conversation with them, and you're
I know,
interrupting.
okay, I'm sorry, but why is these people being? You're in front of my house.
So what's your badge number?
Dude, just roll down the window and talk to me.
No,
It's as simple
my
as that.
window is down, bro. And I'm not even driving the car, so why would I do that? I'm not even, like, what are you talking about? I'm literally just grabbing equipment, bro.
Okay,
Like,
you
why
are
you-
illegally parked, right?
I'm not.
Can we agree on that? We are illegally parked right now.
What are you
No,
talking
you
about?
cannot agree on that? Okay, the law requires you to park on the correct side of the road, 12 inches from the curb, not perpendicular to the road on the wrong side. Okay, do we understand that part?
30 seconds. It's been 30 seconds.
It has not been 30 seconds. I got the call 10 minutes ago and you're still here.
What are you talking about?
Well,
you don't need a search dog. Yeah, you don't need a search dog.
don't tell me what I need. Okay, first, Brad, can you get them out of my back?
I'm on my property. You can't do nothing.
Okay, well, let's come talk to you.
I know. Yeah, come talk.
Sarge,
What's that?
will you explain to this gentleman that they need to talk to me? They're refusing to roll the window. They don't understand that he's illegally parked.
Oh, what's up, Tom? What's going on?
Bro, all I'm doing is grabbing music equipment and saying that I got the call saying I was with my dog and I'm illegally parked. We've been here for like 30 seconds just to put stuff in the trunk, bro.
Okay.
Like, I'm just trying to help my family out. That's literally
All right, well, can you move the car a little bit?
Well, they won't even ID themselves.
Well, I know who he is.
Okay.
Like, I just don't understand, man.
Well,
you know who he is?
I don't know who you. I don't know who you
This is my brother, Nobi.
No, yeah, we
This is Nobi, and this is my girlfriend.
Okay.
And this is my house.
Well, yeah, like I said, we got a call that it was suspicious. Car beating the dog up to get in inside the
My sister's
car.
birthday was today, so a lot of people were here.
They're being
Loud music. I'm sure you guys got a complaint about music, but it's over now. It's over now.
All right, well, just yeah. I know these folks.
There's Joel.
Yeah, I see that. So, do you have ID with you, Tom?
I don't know what he's doing with that. You can see it out here.
I'm not even driving the car. I'm
Okay,
literally
I get you not driving. Just give us an ID. You'll be all right.
Okay. Sure.
He's not even driving. We're supposed to just sitting with the dog.
We got it.
Okay.
It's not about a driving thing, right?
It's really alarming because there's like 5 police officers cars right here.
Well, we tried to mitigate this to a quick contact, but no one wanted to talk.
because you're live. You're not talking.
All right. Okay. We'll check it. We'll be right back. All right. Dog okay?
Jesus Christ. It's okay, bud. Can you talk to me real quick? No?
I know. He's actually my son's friend.
Oh, well, my son's friend's about to get some tickets.
So what the complainant say?
The notes say that the complainant woke up to dog yelping, looked out the window, saw someone beating the dog, trying to get it into the car.
Right.
And that the car was parked strange, and there's someone sitting in the car. So we still need we need an ID. I'm guessing it's the backseat guy because he's the one petting the dog and rubbing it. So we need to ID him.
Okay.
And then figure out. It doesn't look like the dog's injured.
No.
Oh, that's why.
Let the car.
He's Noval. That's why he didn't want to give me his ID.
Yeah. Was he driving?
No, they were sitting in there with it. And that's what I told him. Like, dude, I don't care.
Yeah,
like,
right.
just roll down the window, talk to me real quick so I can leave, you can leave, and we're all good.
Yeah.
He's like, no, why? I'm not even driving. I'm like, I'm not saying you're driving, but you are illegally parked.
That's why he doesn't want us to tell us.
Yeah. I was like, well, he's like, okay.
Dispatch, I'll call you about that alarm again.
I'm gonna run this guy here.
I can just run him right here.
King 25, 355.
Is that his first name? Submit. He's not licensed either. Doesn't look like anyone unless she has a valid license. I'm gonna explain that to them. Here's your ID back. Okay, you can't drive. Okay, you can't drive. Will you stop interrupting?
Sir, do you see that?
Listen,
That's not a-
you can't drive. You can't drive. Does she have a license so she can drive?
No, I'm very calm. I know.
Okay, I know you're just literally sitting here. I'm trying to get you out of here legally. Huh?
That's my little brother.
Okay, I just need someone with the driver's license to drive.
Aggressive car.
Okay? Okay.
We can park the car. Somebody
That's why you
else
didn't want to talk to me? That's a really silly reason to not want to have a conversation with me. Does that make sense? Okay? Okay. Okay. So, we need to get that car legally parked and this car legally parked by a licensed driver. Okay?
Oh, I know you.
Yeah, I know you guys.
How are you doing?
Whatever we were doing to get the dog in the car caused us to get here, okay? I'm assuming it's you because you're the one petting and sitting with the dog. Okay. Okay. Whoever it was in the car, listen, I'm just explaining to you guys. I get it. We all have dogs. We gotta control them, right? But at 2 o'clock in the morning, sound carries when the dogs start yelping. It causes neighbors to call us. Okay? So just keep that in mind. Hey, puppers. Okay? We appreciate your cooperation. Let's get whoever out here with the license to get the car parked.
Nobody's listening. I should do that, man.
Don't forget you guys have stuff on the roof. Don't drive away with that.
Alright, you guys. Our morning.
Well, yeah, like separation. Call. There's suspicious cars. There's still a puppy up against the wall. I know. We're talking. They're being okay. They're fine. All right. Well, okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's kind of where we're at.
I don't know what's happening.
I don't know what he's doing is badgering him to go all the way down.
You can hear him
I get you not driving this.
do the crack, right? Like we're talking to him.
Okay.
So it's kind of a...
Sure.
He's not even driving this car. He's just sitting with the dog.
We got it.
Okay.
It's not about a driving thing, right?
It's really alarming because there's like 5 police office cars right here.
Well, we tried to mitigate this to a quick contact, but no one wanted to talk.
And it's
He
my
was talking to
birthday.
you, though.
You know what I mean?
He was talking to you.
Yeah.
Well, we'll check it. We'll be right back, all right?
It's really alarming.
The dog okay?
We're right here.
The
As you
dog's
can tell,
cool.
this is our property, so
Yeah.
You mentioned that.
I know, and I'm going to continue doing that.
It's just like scary.
No? This is a misunderstanding, I think.
Right. And
The
we're going to
neighbors
continue
called
that.
about the dog?
So
He thought
obviously,
somebody was beating the dog, but the dog was crying because they were inside.
Yeah, he was just crying because they weren't with him.
probably what was going on. We don't know.
Yeah. He's not being harmed in any
Yeah, so
way.
that's all kind of what we're trying to do. Is
Yeah.
make
Yeah.
sure that that's not happening, right?
Yeah, they just put him in the car because he was
Yeah,
loud in the party, and that's pretty much all that it was. He was just loud in the house, he was barking. So that's pretty much it. We're gonna look
Oh,
at
there you go. Another one for a dog.
Well, no.
It's not for the dog, sir.
Yeah,
What
that's
is it for?
exactly why I was calling. That's exactly why I was
Okay,
calling.
so let's everybody go inside. Everybody go inside.
Why?
Except for Lisa Red Joel.
Yeah, everybody go inside. Go inside, go inside. Go ahead, Aaron, go inside.
Go inside.
Go ahead, go inside.
Are you calling more people in the yard just because of the crowd outside? I'm just wondering. My house.
Yep.
Okay.
You're
Yeah,
calling
so-
people because we're standing outside?
No. But I mean, if you want me to explain to you, I can.
Yes.
So when an officer shows up and they don't get full cooperation, like I don't know, I was not here, okay? But if people don't roll a window down all the way, if they're not forthcoming with information, the crowd comes out of the house, they're outnumbered 7 to 1. They ask for other units. That's
So I
what
have a
happened.
question.
Yes, ma'am.
Who was the
So
original
what
officer?
was the initial issue?
So someone walks out their house. I don't know
Go
who.
inside. Go ahead.
More in the call notes, but the main concern was they're parked in the road. There's a male beating up a dog at the vehicle.
Okay,
So
buddy.
that's
Okay,
what the
buddy.
call is.
Okay. Okay, so the house can we get maybe lights off? How long does this take?
dog.
Do we need everybody to
What
go
do you
inside?
need to do?
What do you want us to do?
Let's check the welfare of the dog.
Is it your dog?
Can you
I'm
open
here
the
to talk
door
to
and
I'm
check
I'm
the
talking to
dog?
you guys. I'm gonna let them do that.
Yeah.
I'm talking to you guys.
Listen,
You guys have questions?
if I can be completely vulnerable and honest with you, it's my birthday. It's my 33rd birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Right?
My mother and father are both passed away.
Oh,
So
sorry.
my friends and my family are all I have. And this dog, it's not even their car. They're just watching the dog inside of the car because the dog was in the backyard and he's a very big dog and he was barking a lot because there's a lot of music. Nobody was beating the dog. Somebody put the dog in the car and he's not like being in the car by himself.
And please understand, we don't
So-
know that coming into it.
Yeah, so if
Yeah.
somebody called, it makes sense that they were like, okay, there's something wrong with the dog, obviously, and also, you know what I mean, neighbors are very nosy people. But
If we had a crystal ball.
very uncomfortable and alarmed because I'm black. We're all black, and there's 5 police cars, and you guys are all here, and it's a lot happening.
Man, we've been very courteous and
Yeah,
respectful to all of you.
But like, when can this end?
As soon as it's done, I can't give you a time frame. It won't take
I'm
long.
just asking, like, what do you need to be done?
Yeah, if everything you're saying is true, this won't take long.
Yeah, that's it. Like, what else do you need? Like,
We don't need anything from you, ma'am.
Oh.
Just running the license?
the license.
Yeah, they're
of-
just checking on it.
Oh,
The dog
Monica's
doesn't
car?
appear to be injured, but we're not doing the investigation part. We're just kind of
Okay.
watching to help out.
Oh, okay. That makes sense. That makes sense.
But I promise you, we won't take any more time than we need.
Okay.
Okay?
Cool. Cool. I'm just letting you know we're very just.
Tired and ready to sleep.
And this, yeah, this is a lot happening.
All right, Aaron. Here's your ID back. Okay, you can't drive.
No, he's not driving. He's sitting.
Will you stop interrupting?
Sir,
So,
do you see that?
listen,
That's not okay.
You can't drive.
He
You
does
can't drive.
not have
Does
to
she have a
talk to me
license so
like
she
that.
can drive?
I know. I'm very calm. I know.
Okay, I know
guys
you're
see
just literally
that
sitting there.
Ma'am,
I'm trying to get you out.
please let him deal with this part of it.
That's
Let him
my
do
little
it.
brother.
Okay, I understand, ma'am, but let him deal
And
with
you
this
see
part
that
of it.
he's very aggressive already. We can park the car. Somebody inside can park the car. Yeah, anyone.
Yeah, no,
Anything you need.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Like, we're
Yeah,
capable of doing anything you
We
need to
put the
do.
car here to load up some equipment. We had some music equipment in here that they had.
1, 2, 3,
The car
4,
wasn't here
5
that long.
police cars. Patrol units.
Okay. So we need to get that car legally parked and this car legally parked.
They're gonna
by a
move.
licensed
You
driver.
guys are gonna move.
Yeah.
Oh, I know you.
Yeah, I know you guys.
Yeah, what's
Hi.
going on, man?
How are you doing?
Whatever.
Yeah.
So you guys will be able to get talk out of here.
We can get someone inside to come move this car. No worries at all.
Okay. Whoever it was in the car. Listen, I'm just explaining to you guys. I get it. We all have dogs. We gotta control them, right? But at 2 o'clock in the morning, sound carries when the dogs start yelping.
Too much.
It causes neighbors to call us. Okay?
I know.
We're by ourselves.
Keep that in
I
mind.
know. The five cars.
Appreciate your cooperation. But let's get.
I mean, we're not gonna do it. We're not gonna rush.
But we don't know that, ma'am.
Nobody does
But
that.
we don't know that.
I
People
do.
do that, ma'am. That's why we all respond, because
Okay.
people do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the hard thing.
All right.
And again, we've treated you very respectfully and courteously,
Yeah.
and we appreciate you
I
being
mean,
the same.
us
Yep,
too.
you have as well.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, there's a laptop up there. We want you to drop it off with that. All right, you guys. Have a good night.
You guys have a good night.
I know, right?
Thank you.
Happy birthday nonetheless.
Thank you.
Take care. Contacts complete.